Hello guys, Silver Game of Thrones, long time didn't talk. So new coins today. I try to be short, I already unpackaged, and there's coins from UpMax, and last days I don't know how you, but I just keep buying, I keep stacking, and in today example I'll show you why you need to collect premium coins. Do not go this BS, that silver, just buy over spot. No, I will give you example, like let's start talking. Okay, so what do you have first? First we have this guy. It's Australian EMU. Okay, so see, I have coins with which I have here, and this is a new coins. Okay, so Australian EMU, which I'll show you. This is from UpMax. This is Australian, Australia silver EMU BU. So this is a coin. Okay, this is 2019 Australian EMU. And what is special about these coins? It's on first, look, okay, you like Australia, they have a lot of coins, right? It's mintage is 30,000. It came in a plastic capsule, which is nice. Worldwide coins, not really limited mintage 30,000. I can say kind of in the middle. It's Australian EMUs on landscape of foliage, trees and grass. You can see around, right? But yeah, coin is very cool, and there are a lot of errors, by the way. Some say the said leg here, you see, kind of EMU has two legs, and there is one more leg here, and they sometimes say it's an error. I don't have no idea. I don't care about all these errors. Australia EMU per mint with pin mark. You see the P here. You see the year. It's of course it's 999949. What is special about this coin? Because this coin, which I bought, maybe half year ago, it is first release is 2018. 2018, yeah. So I bought it like 35, 40 bucks. This coin is going now, if I'm not wrong, it's $85. It is $85. It's 2.2 times more cost than it was originally, okay? Now go buy, silver per spot, okay, and make 4 bucks or make like $40 from one coin, okay? So the choice is yours, but I always go over premium because I know the premium today it costs 80 bucks, tomorrow it will cost 100 and 120, 140, 150, because it's really cool coins, Why don't open it? So now I have 2 of them, right? Yeah, that's very cool, Or you go buy silver spot, or you go buy some cool stuff. I always prefer to have some cool stuff, so you can inspire people. Next one is this guy. 5 pounds. Yeah, so this is PUFFIN. Alderney 1 Oz silver PUFFIN. And when I first look on it, I say, okay, it's kind of cool coin. But I try to do collections, and I was having hard time, to buy this coin. But when I see it like 10,000 coins worldwide, and yeah, why not to buy it, And the backside is also very cool. You see, it's kind of different from whatever I see before. It also have this Elizabeth, but it say Regina, Ardernane, GRA. You see, yeah, and its color, it's kind of proof, silver proof. Yeah. So for me, it look very cool coin, and I hope it will go up in value. 10,000 coins only mintage. Very promising. Very promising. This is what I like in these coins. Yeah, I grab one. Why not? Puffin. 1 ounce. Very cool. Next one is this one. Okay, let me open it. It is Cayman Island. Oh, you know, little bit work here. Scotland Mint. That is Scotland Mint. Okay. So this is third release, and I have two other coins here. You see, that's why I call it collections. They basically all the same. It is just this coin is 2017, yeah, and this coin is 2018. I'm not sure if you have, you know, going back in history. If someone knows, please comment. You know, I usually don't go back in history if price is too high, but for $5-10 I might go. So yeah, look on this coin. Look how they build it. Look on these security features. First of all, it's 50,000 mintage. It's not small, right? So you say, okay, if like $23 I paid, or 23 something, yeah, that's okay. $3-4 or spot, it can be nice. And then it's a collection because, you know, they already said release, and 10,000 in a gold, by the way. And this is spectacular image. It's a blue martin, you know, show arcing in the air. It is jump from water, light mist trailing the sport fish. Yeah, and what is cool about this? It has all these radial lines, you see, like a security feature, and very hard to duplicate. Very hard, you know. And this side also have it. So for my view, it's very secure feature and very secure coin, you know. I don't believe you will have many of this, like you know, like some false or some Chinese garbage. Yeah, that's cool coin, and it's collectible, and I have 3 of them. Okay, next one is something special. This is Cook Island. Cook Island. I saw this coin on UpMax, and you know, it's very rare in my opinion. Look how beautiful this coin. Again, I don't know how deep they go back in history, but I do have 2017 coin. You see this 2017, and this is like 1-in-1 to this coin. And I don't have 2018, so I will be hunting for 2018. 2019, I just saw and I grabbed it, and I pay maybe $21. So like really $21 for this coin, and you know, silver spot is like between 18 and 19. It's very cool, very cool. And this surface, you see the surface, how they build this surface, it's very unique. I never see this with this ship. Yeah, that's very cool. It displays the weight, purity, and face value. Selling vessel bounty. It was a pirate like this. I'm not sure. You know, if someone knows, maybe he can comment. Yeah, it's very cool coin. So I have 2 of them. I am hunting one more. And the last one today will be the ES8. This all ES8 coin. I don't know if I have time to open all of them, but I'll tell you about one only coin. So this coin, Antigua Barbuda, okay? I bought half year ago, again, I pay maybe $20, okay? How much it go now? $69.99, $70, guys. You know why? Because the mintage is 2,500 only. This is 2,500 only, okay? Okay, so why? And they make every year, they make like 8 coins like this from phrase ECCB, what they call. This is a Caribbean, and they have Antigua, Barbuda, Commonwealth of Dominica, Grenada, Montserrat, St. Kitts. You see this is St. Kitts and Nevis. This one, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Lucia, and St. Vincent, and the Grenadines. This is kind of East Caribbean dollar. It's a currency of the ES8 2018 program. So remember, they always have 9 coins like this. Okay? Okay, guys. Bye-bye. Silver Game of Thrones.